Cold weather is just around the corner, and if your heating system has not received maintenance in a while, then now is the time to have your system inspected by a real professional. The last thing that you want to have is your system fail on a cold winter night, and that is where we step in. Our heating specialists have years of experience helping people just like you keep their house warm throughout the cold winter nights. We can perform our multi-point inspection to help discover any issues that may cause problems in the future. And if there is an issue, we can make the repairs right away. So don't wait until a problem arises. Contact us now for a free estimate. We look forward to helping you stay warm all winter long.